Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold a $1 bill into a square-toed boot, and this is going to be your end result. So here is your normal $1 bill. The flatter the dollar bill and the crisper the better, but I've been folding this one so it's a little wrinkled. The first thing you do is take your dollar bill and you fold it in half. Make sure the edges line up on each side. Make sure there's a good crease right there. Okay? And then you take the right side of the dollar bill and you find the middle of the two L's in dollar right there. And you're going to fold this side over to line up with the edge of one of the L's. Then you make a good crease right there. And you fold the left side up and do the same thing. So it should look like this. Now, since we're making a square-toed boot, we're going to take this point and fold it over and crease it. So now it looks like that. Now, you take the right side again and you fold it so that this edge meets the center line, almost. You don't want it to be exactly on it because the dollar bill needs room to fold. So it looks like that. And you do the same thing on the left side. Make sure your crease is nice and solid. So it should look like that. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is fold this white edge over so that this edge is straight and lines up with this edge. Okay, and make a crease. And this part's going to be hanging out a little bit, but that doesn't matter. The next thing you do is grab the bottom part of the dollar bill and you are going to fold it so that this point of the white right there and this point up here form a line with the edge of the bottom. Like so. Crease. Okay. So the next thing you do is take the top left part of the dollar bill right here and hold down the bottom with one of your fingers and you pull the rest of the dollar to the front. Okay. Now what you do with this triangular piece is fold it down and you're starting to see the beginning of the boot. Okay, now flip over the dollar bill. You take this point and you're going to fold it in that little flap right there. Nice and solid. Okay. And then because we don't want the boot to angle out like that, you just kind of make a fold right there to make a gradual slant. Okay. And now you open the middle of the boot and you don't have to fold it down, but I like to. Kind of fold down a cuff around the top of the boot like so, and then kind of spread out the bottom of the boot with your fingers, and there is the finished square toe boot.